Okay, so make sure you add your title for the page. So that's a simple circle, a number, and then the partition plan, title, and then the scale. Now, for the wall, we can actually use the leader style. So you can go in, maximize that viewport, and then say ML leader style. So you can create from your imperial leader style a new version of that. So I've created one already. So you just say new and you'll name it Sheridan Wall Imperial. Like I said, I've done that. And you just say continue. I'll cancel this. We'll make it annotative as well. So I'll cancel this and just show you what I have here. So you can create a wall tag with a leader line. And the value that we have here, if I modify this, is for leader format, it will be straight, by block, by block, by block for the line type and line weight. But for the arrowhead, we'll have a dot, okay? So that when we place it on the wall, there'll be a nice simple dot, not an arrow, but a dot. And the size is really small, 1/32, okay? Break size 1/8. For the structure, we have about the same. And then for the content, instead of M text, we're going to use blocks. And the type of block that we're going to use is any of this, okay? So you can use any of those. We'll use hexagon for this one, okay? It will be at the center extents, okay? And yeah, we'll leave it at scale 1. So we'll click OK and close. And then when we insert it, we'll use the ML leader. Okay, so that will be W2. Okay, W1 will be here. So W1, W2, W2, W3, and W4. Okay, so let's place that on the other screen. And then go to leader, ML leader. Okay, so we're going to place W1 first. So that will be here. I'm going to type NEA for near. So maybe I'd like sit somewhere here, maybe this far, and then we'll name it W1. Click OK. And maybe we'll move this a little bit farther, somewhere there. W1. Okay, then we're going to add W2 somewhere here. So same ML leader, and I'm going to place it somewhere here near. Near means on, right? And then maybe somewhere there. And then this will be W2. Click OK. If it's too far, you can always keep it closer. Okay. There you go. And keep it a little closer. Okay. I can also copy that. So copy from, I think my dot got removed. Okay. So let's do that again. I think we shouldn't keep it too close. Or maybe we can change the leader style, ML leader style, and check what's happening. So maybe it's too far. Distance, okay, so 2364. Okay, so let's just change that to maybe 2364. Let's see. Maybe it's the break distance size. Leader break. Nope. Let's try that one. So instead of 23, we'll say 1264. Okay, let's see how that works. Click OK. And set current and close. Okay. So ML leader. Okay, so place it near and place it somewhere here. W2, click OK. Yeah, it's about the same. Looks okay. Maybe I can make this a little closer, but not move this. Okay, so a little closer. If it's too close, yeah, that this thing gets removed. So not too close. But if we move this, okay, looks good. That one looks good. Okay, then I can copy this from here to somewhere near here. Midpoint will be good. Okay, so I have a W2. Next W3 will be this wall right here. Okay, so let's actually move this closer, maybe somewhere there. Okay, that looks nice. Not too far from the wall. Okay, so here we're going to say ML leader somewhere near here, and then maybe this far. And then that will be W3. Click OK. Okay, not too close. So we're going to make it a little bit farther. Doesn't want that. Okay. Okay. I really don't like it that way, but it's not cooperating. Oh, I think I'm hitting the wrong grip. So I need to go in and maybe extend this a little bit. So you want to make it similar to this one, but I guess I want it to make it look like my W3. So I'm going to bring this closer and maybe not as far. Okay. There. So there, it's a little bit consistent. I could make a copy of this instead, right? Once I have one, I can copy this from here to, let's say, here. So to be consistent, NEA, and then I can double click and say W3. So that's another way of doing it. Okay, so to be consistent, consistency is really nice. It will look similar. And then we have a W4 right here. Okay, so we'll say ML leader will go NEA near somewhere here, and then maybe this far. And then we'll say W4. Click OK. And again, bring it closer. Again, I could have copied the other one, but let's see. Let's do that also and see. Oops. Not too close. Not too close so that we don't lose the dot. This one could be closer. Okay. Okay. Now, what if we copy this? So let's say copy this from here to there. So it's in the other side, right? Now, can we move this so it's in goes to the other side, other way? Okay, so let's move it that way. Yeah, doesn't really help that much, right? Uh, so right, it's not working. So you need to recreate it as I did here. Okay, so we have W1, 2, and 3, and likewise 4. For the data extraction, it's kind of lengthy, right? The wall types legend. So what I would do is actually go to an Excel file and just create the table here because it's a lot easier to type this here, make copies, and then for the symbol, the legend, I actually just created a shape, insert a shape, which is the hexagon, okay? No fill, and then I simply type the letters W1 and have it center justified and center or middle aligned. By doing that, I was able to create this a lot easier sometimes, or for me. I'll copy it and go to my uh, schedule and then paste it here. Click OK. And that should be a lot easier. So typing this one, readjusting the size. Okay, so you can readjust the size. Uh, I did merge this similar to what we did here using the merge cell and center. And likewise, I edited or formatted the cell so that it will wrap the text so that it will go to the second line if it's too long. Otherwise, it will just continue. Okay. So that's the partition. And then last thing that you need to do, which is not that difficult, is to draw this door legend. Okay. So you just need to copy what you have here and place it under the door legend. So I do have some here already. Okay. So door 1, door 2. Okay. So you simply project this and then our height is 7 feet. Okay. Create your door based on the width. So that will be door 1 and door, what doors do we have? So door 1 to 5, but door, actually I need to, we should have changed this to door type, okay, instead of D. I forgot that. Anyway, so we do have A, B, and C. So 3 different door types. No, 2 different door types. It's just that, yes, 3, because A will look different from B. So one is from the front, the other is at the back. So it may look something like this, right? So just change the door design. I have here some other door design, but this is for metric, so that's a little bit bigger. So just change the front and the back doors. You can copy the door here, so that becomes your legend. And then you can type here for your door and say door legend, okay, at a certain scale. Okay, so we can copy this or move this from here to maybe we'll place it somewhere here. Okay. And or undo that, maybe put them all together, right? So these are the door titles. Control X, go here, and put them all together. I think I do have them here already, so I don't have to paste it then. So partition, I use that for the other one. So this one, I just need to move. Okay, so maybe I have the wall type. Okay. So wall type schedule or legend. So that could be schedule. Okay. And then door type schedule. Now, NTS, scale NTS, NTS means not to scale. So, so this could be changed to 1, then 2, and then 3 if we only have 3 here. Okay, so all you need to do is move this, maybe a little bit lower. Okay, and then I can place door type schedule here. So move this somewhere here. And then this will be number 1. So number 1, click OK. And then move this to somewhere here. Try to align. That will be 2. And then door legend. So this is in model space. So I'm just going to use this for now. Okay. It's not the exact ones that I like, but just to show you how it can be done, I'll just move it somewhere there and then try to look for that. It should be there. Okay, at scale 316:1. So we'll just say 316:1. Okay, somewhere there. Okay, yeah, and then we'll double click this, and this will be number 3. Click OK, and there you go. Now arrange it, of course, properly so that it is, not that spread apart, but not too close to each other as well. So maybe we can move this closer and to the left. Okay, so to align that to that table. Okay, too close. Move this, say, from here to somewhere here. Here. Okay, then I can move this to somewhere here. Okay, and then I can move this maybe here if it fits. Hopefully it does. And then I go to model space and move this somewhere here. Okay, that gives us room for other schedules or other drawings. And you can place a title block here. Okay, so that's exercise number 4.